complex sentence. How to synthesize a complex sentence? Before talking about complex sentences, subscribe my channel by reading D. Hinter. Like, share and comment. Dear student, first of all I want to tell you that what is synthesis, how to synthesize sentences and how to make simple sentence out of many independent clause, out of many principal clause and out of many simple sentences, and how to make compound sentence and how to make complex and mixed sentence. Which are those coordinating conjunction and subordinating conjunction which help us to know that how to make new simple sentence, compound sentence, complex sentence and mixed sentence. If you want to know, stay with me till the end of this video to know all these things. I will let you know. Yes, dear student, let me tell you about the synthesis of sentences. Sentences is a process जिसमें बहुत सारे sentences को जोड़कर एक sentence बनाया जाता है. In short, 2 and more than 2 simple sentences को जोड़कर जो एक नया simple, compound, complex और mixed sentence बनाने का process होता है उसे synthesis of sentence कहा जाता है. Alright, how to synthesize a simple sentence? But before this, I would tell you that simple sentence एक ऐसा sentence होता है जिसमें एक finite होती है. Alright, 2 या 2 से अधिक simple sentences को जब संयुक्त करके जोड़ करके सिंपल सेंटेंस बनेगा उसमें भी एक ही फाइनाइट वर्ब होनी चाहिए. हाउ टू जॉइन एंड हाउ टू मेक न्यू सिंपल सेंटेंस आउट ऑफ 2 और मोर देन 2 सिंपल सेंटेंसेस. वी कैन डू दैट बाय यूजिंग पार्टिसिपल, बाय यूजिंग कंजंक्शन एंड, बाय यूजिंग नॉमिनेटिंग एब्सोल्यूट, बाय यूजिंग noun or phrase and apposition, or using prepositions with gerund or noun, by using infinitive, by using adjective or adverb, and we can make use of 2 and 2 to make new simple sentence. As far as concerned about the synthesis of a compound sentence, we can do that with the help of some coordinating conjunctions like cumulative conjunctions, okay, adversative conjunction, causative conjunctions, use of who, when, where, which in continuative sense. What are these? These are some coordinating conjunction. See yourself. Synthesis of a complex sentence. Complex sentence में एक principal clause होती है और एक या एक से अधिक subordinate clause होती है जो subordinating conjunction के द्वारा principal clause से जुड़ी रहती है. In short, कि जब 2 या 2 से अधिक सिंपल सेंटेंस को जोड़कर एक कॉम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंस बनाया जाता है तो उसमें एक सेंटेंस को प्रिंसिपल क्लॉज और रेस्ट पार्ट ऑफ द सेंटेंस या अन्य को सबऑर्डिनेट क्लॉज बनाया जाता है. सबऑर्डिनेट क्लॉज हैज बीन डिवाइडेड इनटू 3 पार्ट्स: नाउन क्लॉज, एडजेक्टिव क्लॉज एंड एडवर्ब क्लॉज. ओके, सबऑर्डिनेट क्लॉज को प्रिंसिपल क्लॉज के साथ सबऑर्डिनेटिंग कंजंक्शन लाइक that, who, which, what, because, since, so that, in order that, as if, as soon as, though, before, after, if, when, till, until द्वारा जोड़ा जाता है. कौन सा subordinating conjunction यूज किया जाना है? That depends on the meaning of the sentence. In our previous video, we learned that how to make complex sentence by using noun clauses. Right, in this video we are going to talk about adjective clause. How to make complex sentence using adjective clause. Adjective clause का यूज उस स्थिति में करना appropriate होता है जब एक वाक्य में, एक सेंटेंस में किसी व्यक्ति, वस्तु के बारे में बताया गया हो और अन्य सेंटेंस में उसी नाउन के संबंध में कुछ कहा गया हो तो वेयर, विच, व्हेन, हु, दैट का यूज करके एक या मोर देन 1 सेंटेंसेस को सबऑर्डिनेट एडजेक्टिव क्लॉज बनाया जाता है और एक वाक्य को प्रिंसिपल क्लॉज बनाकर जोड़ा जाता है. हाउ? सी, दिस इज द मैगजीन आई वांट टू परचेज. This is the magazine that I want to purchase. So that is here as adjective clause, which is making new complex sentence. This is the hotel. I lived here for 3 months. This is the hotel where I lived for 3 months. This is the girl. She secured first position. How to make a complex sentence? This is the girl who secured first position. This is just the introduction that how we can use adjective clause to make a complex sentence. Let's know more about adjective clause. What is adjective clause? Adjective clause is one which does the work of an adjective in relation to some other clause. An adjective clause is a clause which qualifies a noun and a pronoun in some other clause in the sentence. It is a dependable clause, like that of adverb and noun clause. Adjective clause begin with a relative pronoun or relative adverb, provided the pronoun or adverb has its antecedent immediately before it. Just try to understand with the help of these examples. This is the boy who stole my fountain pen. This is the boy who stole my fountain pen is a relative, right? Relative pronoun who, and its antecedent is boy because it has been used just before who, क्योंकि who से इसको पहले यूज किया गया है. Who is the antecedent of who? Yes, boy. So यहाँ पे जो adjective clause है that starts with who stole my fountain pen. The same in the next example. I want to know the time when the train arrives here. When the train arrives here is adjective clause which begin with relative pronoun, and just before when there is a use of time which is called antecedent, right? She is the girl who secured first position, right? Who secured first position, adjective relative clause. और इस who का, इस adjective clause का antecedent कौन है? Girl. Dear student, there are some more examples. See yourself. There will be no comma between noun and adjective clause. See yourself. Sometimes the relative pronoun or the relative adverb with which the adjective clause begins remains understood, right? In such a case, the relative pronoun or relative adverb should be mentally added to your side before attempting the analysis as he is the man. I know very well how to join them, right? कैसे इसे बनाया जाए? He is the man. I know very well. इन दोनों के बीच whom आना चाहिए था, right? In this clause or sentence, whom is understood at the point marked. Thus, pointed mark is understood here. Therefore, I know very well is an adjective clause. Same way, there are some more examples. See yourself. Sometimes but is used as a relative pronoun which is negative in meaning. In such a case, the clause beginning with but is an adjective clause, as there was not a soldier but fought bravely to the end. In this sentence, but means who did not, and therefore but fought bravely is an adjective clause. There are some more examples. See yourself. Sometimes than is used as a preposition before a relative pronoun. In such a case, the clause beginning with than is a relative pronoun, like we are all followers of the principle of Mahatma Gandhi, than whom India has produced no nobler saint. There are some more examples. See yourself. Dear student, an adjective clause also called an adjectival or relative clause, which will meet three requirements. First, it will contain a subject and verb. The second, it will begin with relative pronoun who, whom, whose, that or which, or begin with relative adverb when, where, why. All adjective clause begin with a relative pronouns. Like, I don't like people who drink soda without a straw. Weddings which are hosted in secluded areas are very jovial. There are some more examples. See yourself. I hope you understood, dear student, that how to use and how to make adjective clause. Let's move on to know that how we can make complex sentence by using adjective clause. Adjective clause work as adjective in the sentence, and whenever you want to make any adjective clause, there will be the use of who, where, what, whose, when, that as relative pronoun, and why, when, how as a relative adverb, right, which help us to make adjective clause and which help us to coordinate two simple statement to make complex statement and complex sentence. Dear student, there are so many examples to know that how we can use all these subordinating conjunction to make complex sentence. See, like my father will come from Delhi. I don't know the time. These are two sentences here. How to make a complex sentence out of it by using adjective clause. Yes, I don't know the time when my father will come from Delhi. The pen is mine. It is on the table. The pen which is on the table is mine. Ramesh is a good boy. He belongs to a good family. Ramesh is a good boy who belongs to a good family. I have a dog. It is very faithful. I have a dog which is very faithful. The boy is standing there. He is my brother. The boy who is standing there is my brother. He didn't come to school today. Do you know the reason? Do you know the reason why he didn't come to school today? Will you give me the watch? It is on the table. Will you give me the watch which is on the table? I bought a pen a few days back. I have lost it. A pen which I bought a few days back has lost. I bought a pen. It was costly. I bought a pen which was costly. You have put my book at a place. Show me the place. Show me the place where you have put my book. My father gave a pen. It was lost. My father gave a pen which was lost. You can find me in my room. The room is on the third story. You can find me in the room which is on the third story. I heard the news. I went to the hospital. The hospital is not far from my house. When I heard the news, I went to the hospital which is not far from my house. Dear student, along with these examples, there are so many others. And in all example, you will see that how there is a use of who, where, what, whose, when, that as relative pronoun and relative adverb why, when, how, which make a adjective clause. And these keywords, these subordinating conjunction help us to make a complex sentence. That's it, dear student. That was about the second part of the complex sentence. In this video, we came to know that how adjective clause is a subordinate clause and it works as adjective in the sentence. And whenever you want to make any subordinate adjective clause, there will be the use of who, where, what, whose, that, why, when, how, which coordinate two simple sentences and make a complex sentence. See you soon in the next video in which we will discuss about adverb clause.